Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will show you crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, today we are making a beautiful fabric flower decoration. First, we will piece our small round fabric circle. They are very easy to make and perfect for many crafts. First, cut a circle from fabric, then fold the edge and swing small running stitch around the circle. Pull the thread gently. The fabric gather and make a cute yo-yo shape. Now we join our yo-yo piece together. This creates a lovely flower design. You can add a button in the center to make it more beautiful. This flower can be used on bag, cushions, clothes, or wall decoration. It is simple craft but look very creative. And friends, yo-yo table runners. This craft use many color yo-yo piece. First, we make sure yo-yo circle using different fabric. You can use all cloth or scarf fabric. After making many yo-yo pieces, arrange them in a long line. Now stitch them together one by one slowly. A long and colorful table runner appears. These handmade table runners look bright and cheerful on the table. It is perfect for kitchen tables, tea tables, or craft decoration. Yo-yo blanket designs. Yo-yo blanket is made by joining many small fabric yo-yo circles. Each piece can be a different color of pattern. And friends, each piece can be different color and pattern. This makes the blanket look colorful and artistic. First, make many yo-yo circles. Then stitch them together side by side. Slowly, the blanket grow big. Yo-yo blanket are soft, warm, and full of handmade beauty. Viewers, so I hope you like my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz.